So I've got the little Vogue 3.5" or 90mm chef's ring, and I'm going to be using it to fry an egg. What I've done is I've rubbed oil around the inside, and I just dipped it in just so that the egg isn't in contact with the raw metal, and should fry out nice. There we go, so I'll pop the egg in, turn it up a little. There we go. This chef's ring is very good because it's metal, stainless steel. It's heavier, and the egg hasn't been pushing its way out completely. A little bit there, but overall it's really good. What I do is I'll just let it sit and let the egg just cook slowly, and then I will move the ring around a bit just to loosen it up, and it should just pop off. So what I'm going to do is I use these tongs and grab it. Yeah, should be there. So I think I should be able to just pull it up. We'll see. There we go. Oh no! Oh no! Lost. Oh well. Still, not too bad.